some people say storage units are the best investment. Other people say gold's the best investment. Uh,
Hmm.
I can't imagine that gold's going to stay up in the mid 4,000, forever, but it could be. But is it too late to get involved with a whole lot of gold if you weren't buying it at $135 an ounce 25 years ago?
Hmm.
I think
John, did you have anything to add to that?
Yeah, I'll chime in on that note. It's really a risk thing for the person owning the property. So take our property, for example, of 322 units. You're diversified between 322 doors. And so versus owning a strip mall and you've got 10 tenants, if one of them moves
I
out,
was
that's 10%
considering
of your
more of a
income.
100% net lease, long term net lease, the one tenant. 10 to 20-year lease with the government, post office, whatever, agency, etc.
Yeah, I don't know. I can get back to you on that question though.
But you
I
don't have
don't
to
have
get back to me. I
experience
was
with
just
the.
considering. That's why I sold for 20 years. So I was just wondering, when Michael's like, it frees up people's time. Well, yeah, because you're getting paid every month and there's no responsibility. You're not worried about if the person loses a job or can't pay rent. You're always getting paid by a net lease.
Yeah, that's a great point. I just personally haven't done a whole lot of work in the commercial real estate. I'm just trying to pick the niche of multifamily, but I'm sure there's definitely trade-offs to both areas.
Mhm.
So,
I mean,
Keith, you're
obviously
gonna
the
you're gonna make me
ROI
go
is
do
not
some
going to be as
research.
big. The cap rate, the upside is not going to be as big on a net lease as it is multifamily, but it's a
Hmm.
lot more management intensive as multifamily.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that sounds awesome. I'm gonna have to look into it.